Hello family, welcome back to the channel, home of the RC community and home of the Patreon that offers the most value out there. If you're interested in the Patreon or the merch, those links will be in the description and in the comments. And remember, with the Patreon, you can cancel at any time. And also, I want to ask if you guys and gals can hit the thumbs up button so we can get this video further out into the algorithm so individuals and other investing classes can see this content also. All right, so if we look at the Saitama right now, of course, everything is not updated fully on Coin Market Cap. We know that Coin Market Cap can always be behind at times, but we look at here at the chart, it seems like we're going into a positive uptrend. Okay, at the time of this video, everything is working out the way I expected it to on the charts right here. Now we did have like some red right here, okay, but what we want to see is this right here go into a what we want to see is a solid consolidation point and another some more heavy buying. All right, now if we look at the market. The market kind of seems like it is going in a downtrend. Okay, it does seem like it's going into a downtrend. We have to expect that. But when we look at Saitama and we look at the market, Saitama is far outperforming the market. Now, some individuals may say, well, you know, it's because they have a lot of catalysts going on. And some may say, well, the catalyst does not matter because you know that the critics out there don't want to point out the catalyst anyway. Okay, like I told individuals last time, I said Saitama has some of the most going on right now in the crypto space. Okay, not only in the crypto space but out in the mainstream media space too. Now, in the mainstream media space, it may be minimal. Okay, it may be minimal, but it's still happening. But you have to understand that compared to a lot of these other projects that don't have anything going on in the mainstream media space. So Saitama right now is actually preparing themselves for success. They're preparing themselves to provide the best product, best for their investors. All right, and we're seeing that. We're seeing it in the charts. Look over here, right here. Look at this right here. Look at the state of the crypto market right now. All right, if you look at the market, we are it's still under a trillion market cap. Okay, we're under a trillion market cap. We have not seen a trillion, you know, in a little while. But we are trending up some, but you know, did decrease 1.17%. But if you look at Bitcoin, Bitcoin seems to be they have already dropped over 200 points again. So has Ethereum. All right, and we're going to expect this right here. We're going to expect it. You can see that Cardano also went down. Also, now Cardano also has been, you know, hovering between that 44 cent and 46 cents range. Okay, but they are still okay. They are still going to how can I say this? They're still going to move, okay, in a downward trend because of the economy that we are in right now. Okay, and like I said, with the economy also, you have to have patience in this economy. Okay, a lot of individuals are putting a lot of stock into what's going on right now with the high prices and inflation. But like I said, we are having a temporary reduction, at least in the gas market. Okay, at least in the, you know, the gas and oil markets. And they saying it is supposed to be for 3 months. We'll see how long that plays out. Okay, it would be good if that could be permanent, but that's just where we are right now. And then we're also seeing it's not all over the place, but we are seeing some lowering in prices in the products and goods, which is actually making it easier for individuals who are buying goods, food, and all of that for their family and household to purchase and have money left over. And like I told y'all, as we get more into you know, the positives of the economy, we will start seeing a difference in the charts. Now, I have no doubt, okay, that I have no doubt that we will see a trillion a market cap again in the crypto market. Okay, I know that we will see that again. Y'all just have to have patience. Okay, Capitol Hill is doing whatever they're doing, and they're also talking more about crypto. Y'all know that we're still in the fear when it comes to like the fear and greed and all of that stuff like that. All right, so y'all have to have confidence. But one thing that Saitama is doing, and I pointed this out multiple times, is that Saitama is far outperforming the market. And the good thing about Saitama outperforming the market is that Saitama right now is flourishing in any market, whether it's a down market or a positive market. Okay, and then you may have critics come along and say, well, Saitama is only doing good because the market is looking a little positive. No, Saitama is doing good even when the market is in the negative. All right. That right there is that right there is the strength of the community. Okay, it's showing that we have a very good community and a very active community. All right, and when I say active community, I mean a community that are not only supporting the project but actually investing more into the project. I'm talking about communities that are listening to the developers that are holding and stuff like that. And like I said, you don't have to hold. You do what you want. But look, this right here, this chart right here is telling you all you need to know about the community. This right here is showing that we have more holders, okay, in this project than sellers. It's showing on the charts. All right. The fight is showing on the charts. All right. Look at this right here. Look at these patterns right here. Look at these consolidation patterns right here. This is fight. This is all from the community right here. Okay, look at these consolidation patterns. Look at the consolidation that was up here. Look at the consolidation that was up here after all of the sales. Look in between the sales, the buys. Buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. That's fight right there. Okay, that right there is the showing the strength of the community. Nobody is forcing the community to do this. Nobody is forcing the community to do this. The community is doing this all on its own. You have a lot of other projects that out here that talk and say, "Oh, this community is a good community. This community, this community, that." But it's a whole different situation when you actually see, okay, the action being put into play. All right, this right here says a lot. All right, this says a lot. And the thing is, this is going to continue to be like this because I believe that as we have more of the airdrops come in, we're going to have more. It's going to show more of those holders. Now, like I said, me myself, I am a long-term holder. That's my choice. Short-term flipping and short-term holding has never really worked out for me. I don't have the time really to be, sitting in front of a computer all day trying to trade and make a couple extra bucks. Okay, that's not going to make a difference anyway. That's the thing that a lot of individuals are doing. They're sitting behind these computers, okay, and they're trying to find ways to flip and do all of this stuff. And at the end of the day, you look at it, have they really made as much of a profit? All right, after paying fees and all of that stuff and cashing out and going through all of the craziness, what have you really made at the end? Okay, that works for some individuals, and individuals have the right to do that. Okay, I would encourage individuals, if they are still short-term flipping, then continue to do that. Or if you're long-term holding, continue to do that. I will never tell an individual to change up their strategy. If it's working for you, okay, let me plug my. I don't know why Apple laptops are bad on batteries. All right, but anyway. Okay, if individuals, right, all right, whatever you're doing that's working for you, continue to do it. Okay, I would never tell you to stop doing it. This is your choice. This is your money. Like the last thing I want to do is come between anyone in their green. When individuals ask me, or what do I think they should do when it comes to certain investments, I always tell them, look, do your research and make the decision based on your research that you found out. Okay, the last thing I want to do is come between somebody else and their green. This is money that you went to work for every single day, clocked in and worked for. Okay, I have no right to come between any of that. All right, so look, I will tell y'all this: continue to do your own research, make your own decisions. Okay, and things will work out for you if you know what you're doing or if you are following your gut. All right. But this is a good thing right here. Saitama is still far outperforming the market right now. All right, and we're going to expect this. You can continue to expect this, okay, as more catalysts and more holders roll in for this project. So this is my video. And remember, every now will be history tomorrow, and you either have patience in this crypto investing space, okay, or you lose in the end and you don't want to be a loser. This is my video. And I will catch all of you beautiful investors on the up and up. Howdy.